Exercise 9. Chin and jaw toner. Lift your chin and tilt your head back until the chin is pointing at the ceiling. Now push your lower jaw forward so you feel the stretch under the chin and the point of the jaw. Hold for a count of 10. Slowly lower the chin 3 inches and slowly lift it again. Repeat 20 times, moving slowly to work the muscles and keeping your head in a straight line up and down. Don't turn or twist your neck. The focus point is under the chin. Make sure you can feel the area working hard. When you relax your chin, drop it lower than usual to release and relax the muscles properly. Lift your chin again and push out your lower jaw so the bottom teeth are forward. Hold for a count of 10. Drop your chin 3 inches and up again. Keep the movement slow. Focus on the stretch under your chin. The jaw toner does 2 things. It reduces flabbiness and also fills out loose skin in thin necks. Double chins and turkey necks are both due to poor muscle tone. Restoring muscles here smooths and slims as necessary. Drop your chin down again to release the muscles.